Can an LLC apply for grants? Yes, an LLC can apply for grants, but eligibility depends on the type of grant and the purpose of the LLC. Here's a breakdown. 1. Types of grants. Available for LLCs. A. Small business grants. Eligibility. Many government agencies, nonprofits, and private organizations offer grants to small businesses, including LLCs. Examples: U.S. Small Business Administration SBA grants, local or state-level business development grants, DOTS/BA grants for nonprofit LLCs. Eligibility. If your LLC is structured as a nonprofit and has 501c3 status, you may qualify for charitable grants. Examples: grants from philanthropic organizations, government grants for education, health, or social services. C. Research and development grants. Eligibility. For LLCs engaged in innovation, science, or technology, grants like the Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) program are available. Examples: federal R&D grants for startups and small businesses. Second key factors for eligibility: business purpose. Grants are often tailored to specific industries, goals, or missions. Sustainability, minority-owned businesses. Innovation. Entity type. For-profit LLCs are generally eligible for business development grants, but not charitable grants. Nonprofit LLCs are eligible for grants aimed at social or public benefits. Compliance. Your LLC must meet the grant's requirements, such as being registered, having financial statements, and meeting operational criteria. 3. How to find grants for LLCs. Government websites. Check platforms like grants.gov, sba.gov, or state-level economic development sites. Private organizations. Many corporations offer grants to small businesses and startups, such as the FedEx Small Business Grant. Nonprofit-specific databases use resources like Foundation Directory Online for nonprofit-focused grants. Conclusion: LLCs can apply for grants, especially small business and industry-specific ones. Nonprofit LLCs have access to additional charitable grants, particularly if they hold 501c3 status. Success depends on aligning your business goals with the grant's purpose, preparing strong applications, and ensuring compliance with eligibility requirements.